Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And I am up bright and early at CVS. Boy, do I have a deal for you guys today. Before we get started, guys, as always, I need you to give me a thumbs up. I need you to let me know that you like this channel, that you like this video, so that I can keep going out and doing deals for you. I need you to comment below if you've already done the deal that I'm getting ready to talk about, or if you plan on doing it. It's a super exciting deal. Basically, everyone could do it because there's no coupons needed. There's no Ibotta rebates needed. All you need to do is go in CVS, run and get it. It is unmarked clearance. And guys, I'm not sure if these things were supposed to be, if they were supposed to be marked down or if it was a mistake, it's a glitch. I don't know. I'm hearing different stories. I don't care. All we care about is going to get the good deals. So guys, get your screenshots ready. Get ready to take a bunch of screenshots, write it down, whatever you need to do, because I want to make sure that you get the specific ones so you don't get up to the register and get surprised. Get your phones, and that's all you need, because we're getting ready to save some money. So let's head into the store and let's get ready to save. Okay guys, so I couldn't do the video in the store. The music was blasting and I don't want my video to get flagged. So what I did is I just went on, made the purchase and came out to the car. So I'm going to review my receipt with you. So I know you guys have probably heard about the unmarked clearance for the soft soap and the J.R. Watkins hand soaps. Guys, they are marked down to 28 cents. That is fabulous. That's 90% off. And it is the large bottles. Guys, I cleared the shelf and that was just for one store. So there are plenty of stores you can go to. If you don't see any on the shelf, make sure you ask the associates to check in the back, because there should be plenty in the back. If not, keep checking all week long, because what I have found with CVS clearance is that if I don't find it one day, I might find it the next day, or I might find it a whole week or two later. So guys, just make sure that you ask, and look around. So I'm going to turn my camera around so that you can see the exact products that are on clearance, and I'm going to give you the UPCs so that you can get the exact one and get the savings that I just got. Okay guys, so let's go over what I got and the UPCs so that you can head out and get them. Okay, so we're going to start with the J.R. Watkins hand soap first. And as I was saying, there is an Ibotta rebate out there for these. When I went into the store, mine disappeared. Mine was there, but then when I got back out of the store to redeem it, it disappeared. So I'm not sure what's going on. Maybe it's a fluke. Maybe all of them have been redeemed. I'm not sure. But if you have it, please go ahead and do it, because you can actually get 5 of these and you're going to pay 28 cents for them, but you're going to get $1.25 back. So you can get 5 and that can be a really nice moneymaker for you. Or you can get a total of 21 items, a combination of these and the soft soap, and get them all for free. I choose to get mine all for free because I'd rather have a bunch of these for free. And I go through a lot of them through my house, and these are great items to donate to the schools as well as to the shelters, especially with COVID being so rampant right now. You know, it's just a great donation item. And they smell really good. I love this J.R. Watkins. I just don't buy it because I never get a coupon for it. And, you know, I'm Bargain Betty, so I always want a coupon or something, you know, really cheap. But because this is on clearance, 90% off, I'm able to get it. So I basically cleared the shelf. But, you know, I just went to one CVS. There's like 8 CVSs in my town. So, you know, there's plenty for everyone else to get. So I'm going to stop on my soapbox, and I'm going to go ahead and get into it. So guys, this is one of the J.R. Watkins hand soaps that's on clearance. This is the lavender scent, and here is the UPC for you, because I want to make sure you get the right one. Okay, And the next one I got is this, which is the Ocean Breeze. Here's the UPC for that. And here is the Aloe in green tea. The UPC for that. And then the last one I got is the lemon. You guys see my CVS bags on the floor. That's like the rest of my items that I got. And then here's the UPC for that one. Okay, so now let's get into the soft soap. When you get the soft soap, guys, make sure you're getting the one that is 11.25 ounce, because they do have a smaller size. I think that might be like an 8 ounce or a 6 ounce or something. Don't get that one. That one is not 90% off. It's only the 11.25 ounce. And this is the Lavender and Shea. Here's the UPC for that one. I love this one. And they only had like 2 of these, but I love this. Warm vanilla and coconut milk. Oh, it smells so good. And here is the UPC for that one. They had a couple antibacterials. So this is the one that has like the fruit on it. And here is one for that. And those of you who are, you know, really worried about chemicals and things like that, all of these hand soaps, both the soft soap and the J.R. Watkins, are paraben free. So that makes that really nice. Okay, and then here's another one, the antibacterial kitchen fresh hands with the lemon scent. And here is your UPC for this one. And, oh, here it is. Okay, I knew I had an apple one. And here's another antibacterial with an apple scent, Gentle Clean. And here is your UPC for that one. So just make sure that you guys are getting the right ones. And I'm going to go over my receipt with you so that you can see that. So here is my receipt, and you can see that the J.R. Watkins was regularly $4.99, and it comes down to 29 cents. So really, that is more than 90% off, because 90% off would have been 49 cents. Okay, and you can see I got 5 of those. And then you see the soft soap, which was $3.39, but that was marked down to 29 cents. So guys, you're getting a really good deal, because even the soft soap, if that was 90% off, that would have been 39 cents. But again, it's ringing up 29 cents. So here you can see I got a total of 21 items for $6.09. And the reason I did that is because I was planning on submitting for my Ibotta rebate. And if I would have done that, I would have got everything on this receipt for free. So guys, that is the deal. Comment below and let me know if you've already went out to grab these soaps, or if you plan on grabbing them. And when you go to the store, if you don't see them, please, please, please ask in the back. If you don't see them one day, keep checking back, because with CVS clearance, you just never know when they're going to ship more from the warehouse. I've gone looking for CVS clearance, and I might find it one day, and then I go back like a week, 2 weeks later, and there it is again. So I'm able to you know, buy more then. So just keep trying back. If you don't find it today, don't be disappointed, because it may come back to your store in a day, 2 days, or 2 weeks. But if you are a savvy couponer, or you love to save, or you're a bargain Betty, you will go on that hunt, and you'll remember to check CVS every time you go in. Guys, it's an excellent savings, excellent way to reduce your budget and save money on cleaning supplies. And like I said, especially right now with COVID, this is a great way to save money, because we're washing our hands more and more. So guys, as always, give this video a thumbs up. I thank you guys for tuning in and for being loyal watchers. And until the next time, keep on saving.